Welcome to another Willard Library virtual Crafternoon. February is National Random Acts of Kindness Month, so in honor of this, we're going to be making Carried Away by Kindness greeting cards. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library while supplies last. Included in the kit is one square greeting card that measures 5.5 inches all the way around and a corresponding envelope, 3 cloud-shaped patterns printed on gray paper, and 4 heart-shaped patterns printed on colorful paper. Not included are a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and lastly, a pin or fine-tipped Sharpie. The first thing we're going to do is cut out all of our heart and cloud-shaped patterns. Try to cut each shape slightly inside the black outline. Once your shapes are cut out, take each heart and fold it in half vertically. Next, decide if you want your card to open up and down or from right to left. Now take one of your hearts and put a little glue on the back side of the right half only, just like this. Place the heart in the center of the card towards the top. We're going to place another heart on top of this one, so put a little bit of glue on the back side of that right half of your heart. Press the 2 hearts together like this and try to line up the edges before the glue dries. Repeat this process with all 4 of your heart shapes. At this point, you're going to want to lay out your clouds. I'm going to overlap some of my clouds with my hot air balloon just to make it look a little more three-dimensional, but you can position your clouds however you would like. When you're ready, go ahead and put some glue on that last half of the heart and press it against the card. At this point, you can see your hot air balloon taking shape. Now that the glue has had a chance to dry, I'm going to draw a basket underneath my hot air balloon. I'm adding 4 straight lines connecting the balloon to the basket. As well as a couple of bows for decoration. Last but not least, I'm going to add a simple crisscross pattern to the basket. Feel free to decorate your basket however you wish. Now that the front of the card is finished, all that's left is to add your personal message to the inside. Flatten the panels of your hot air balloon, slip it into an envelope, and you are ready to spread a little kindness.